So this is the toolkit which comes with the Greyp bike, or what's described as the toolkit. So what do we have in? Very nice. We have some Greyp cycling socks, which is nice. We also get this little note here, which completely explains the minor hiccup and delay in getting the bike. We also get a Greyp t-shirt, which is quite nice. If I can fold this open, so we get the Greyp t-shirt there, which is also a nice touch. So in there we get these, which I'm not quite sure what they are, but I'm sure I'll find out in due course. I'm not the most technical when it comes to bike maintenance, etc. We also get a brand new tool, which is quite nice. Further, we get various documents indicating that it's passed, etc. Various SRAM, RockShox spacers, etc. for the shocks. We also get another brand new tool as well, which is quite nice. We also get various cables. These are to attach your phone, I presume, to the bike, as it runs on an app. Also we get the usual, this is for the dropper post manual. We get the various reflectors, which nobody ever uses. We also get a user manual, out of the box assembly in there. We also get the Greyp, and I presume this is the heart rate monitor, because the bike will alter the power if you use the heart rate monitor and the app. Various plugs. Don't know what's in this bag. I can open that later. But various things in there, and then the charger. So that's what's in the toolbox. Quite comprehensive.